In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the maintenance box blinking error on the Epson EcoTank L18050. This issue happens when the maintenance box reaches the end of its service life, and I will guide you step by step to reset it easily using a chip resetter and get the printer back to normal.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, when I turn on the printer, two lights are blinking. The printer does not work and printing is not possible. This blinking shows that the printer has a maintenance box problem. Turn off the printer. To reset the maintenance box chip, you need a chip resetter with code C9345. To turn it on, connect the chip resetter to a power source. You can easily order this chip resetter from Alibaba or Amazon. The price on Alibaba is around $22, which is very reasonable. This chip resetter is not disposable and can be used to reset your maintenance box many times. Remove the maintenance box from the printer. Now, all you need to do is align the pins of the chip resetter correctly with the maintenance box chip. This is very simple. Make sure the red blinking light turns green after resetting. Put the maintenance box back into the printer. Turn on the printer. The printer is now ready to print with no blinking lights or warnings. To make sure it works properly, we will do a manual nozzle check test. To do a manual nozzle check, turn off the printer. Press and hold the cancel and power buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. Now our Epson L18050 printer is fully ready to print. The blinking maintenance box error is completely fixed, and there are no warning lights. We also performed a manual nozzle check to confirm everything works perfectly. By following these simple steps, you can reset your maintenance box at home or in the office easily. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and share it with others who need easy printer solutions.